The devil cut his nose to make up. He also changed his teeth. To be ashamed or to have one's nose cut off means to be dishonored. The subject of cutting the nose is used metaphorically, but one would be surprised to know whether a person cut off his own nose to make the devil pretend. There are many people who are not satisfied with their appearance. They decorate themselves in different ways. In doing so, some people do things that make them look weird. They do not hesitate to change different parts of the body to get the desired shape. Recently, a person from Brazil has committed such an act, which netizens have discussed. Michael Faro do Prado, a resident of Brazil, the 44-year-old, likes to present himself in bizarre outfit. He also likes to change his limbs. His Instagram account bears witness to Prado's outfit. In addition to tattoos all over his face, he has already done various hair changes, tooth replacements, piercing on different parts of the face, and artificial horns. He recently cut off part of his nose to change his appearance. Netizens were shocked to see that. He cut off the front part of the nose through surgery. He said that he did this to strengthen his satanic form. His wife claims Prado is the third person in the world to do so. It is known that Prado is a tattoo artist. He claims that his strength to endure the pain is strong, so it is not difficult for him to change the tattoo or all this. But Prado is not the only one who cut off his limbs to change the look. Earlier, a man named Sandro from Germany cut off his two ears. In addition to the ears, his tongue, like the hand, has made such change that the netizens noticed. A crab costs 39 lakh Indian rupees. An auction has been held in Tokyo, the capital of Japan. A snow crab was sold for 39 lakh in Indian rupees at the auction on Thursday. According to a local media, the crab was bought by a local retailer. He will sell the crab in any big Japanese restaurant. The winter seafood season has started his week in the Totoro area of Japan. If you like to see there, many people buy crab or tuna fish at a high price. A local administration official said it was a very expensive crab. The price of this crab will be applied to the Guinness Book of World Records. The tail of the puppy on his head, really, it's unbelievable. A puppy is very different from others because it has a tail on its head. This puppy named Norwell is 10 weeks old. One such puppy was recently rescued from a road in the US state of Missouri. Anandabazar reported this information quoting the local media. According to Anandabazar, there is a species of whale fish which has long teeth near its head. The puppy has been named after that whale. Last Saturday, a dog from a volunteer organization called Max Mission spotted the puppy in a rural area of Missouri. The puppy was rescued from there and kept with the Max Mission. There's nothing special about the puppy, said Stephen, a resident of Max Mission's Raquel, about the puppy. Debbie is playing. Norwell also underwent a physical examination at an animal clinic after the rescue. The doctor said it was a birth defect in Norwell. It does not need to be omitted. He said this was the first time in this 18 years of experience.